Okay, so the next part of the video is a quick look into my simple nighttime routine when I have these mini braids in. I tried the 𝘗𝘌𝘋𝘊𝘶 for the first time, this exact product, and I loved it. I had the sample packet and I'm definitely going to buy the full size and definitely recommend it. I believe the peppermint oil in the product leaves a stimulating yet refreshing and cooling sensation on the scalp, which is an amazing feeling. And I always put my hair in a high bun. I can't put it in anything else because it makes it very uncomfortable to sleep. And I tie my hair with a satin scarf, which is not shown in the video because the camera died, but that's all that I do. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and leave some video suggestions that you would like me to film. Also, subscribe to my second account, 𝘗𝘌𝘋𝘊𝘶, which is going to be in the description box. I am going to leave the link to all of that. Okay, so if you made it to the end of this video, that means you're an OG true subscriber and supporter, and you already know that I always do these at the end of my videos. So comment, what even are scrunchies? I call them blank, so you insert whatever you want to call them. You can do something like, I call them trees or something like that. I'm so excited to see how confused everyone else is because they didn't watch the full video, but you did. So yeah, bye.